viewers, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix a flashing screen on Braun Thermoscan 7. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Braun Thermoscan here, well, in this case, there is something that you can do to probably solve issues that you're encountering here. Well, first things first is we want to go ahead and check the power that is being supplied on your actual thermostat, which in this case you want to check the back here. So usually you can replace the battery on your thermostat. So in this case, go ahead and remove the cover itself, maybe remove the batteries and wait for about like 15 seconds if you can. So in this case, once you remove the battery, this will actually drain all the power from the thermostat, and it will do a kind of reset here, which in this case can solve the issue of the flashing screen. Now, in this case, go ahead and put the batteries back on again and see if that solves the issue. Now, also, you might want to replace the batteries. If that doesn't work, it means that the power itself is not enough to power your thermostat here. So using a fresh set of batteries can solve the issue as well. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.